Okay, this is go. Return new. Wolf. Okay, fine. So if I go and find my America, my carnivorous is goat, and carnivore have their property of eating stuffs, everything. So that is what all about here. So now my continent level is ready. If I go and check my continent, I will find out what is my carnivores and what their behavior is. Next go, everything is fine. So let me go and find out. I will create my animal world now. Okay, so let's see my animal world. I want to find out the carnivore and herbivore of the world which it belongs, and what is their food chain. Okay, we go and define all the stuffs here. Let's add a herbivore. Okay, I going to create one property instance, sorry, herbivore, and public carnivores. See, I don't want my fields to be defined as a public, so let me keep that as private. Good stuff. Okay, so wait a moment. So it's a bit long tutorial, but it will give you nice architecture for your project once I build it. Okay, then I going to create my constructor of animal world. Okay, so now my constructor have to find me which continent I'm checking. So default, so it will accept the ContinentFactory. Okay, in the constructor it has to assign me the herbivores equal to factory dot check herbivore. So this will find out all my activities of the world dynamically. So then carnivores equal to factory dot check carnivores. Good. Okay, now my constructor is ready. Default, once I create the instance, it will ask for the factory, then it will create me exactly my factory. Suppose I am pausing the Asia, so Asia, it will get me my carnivores, everything in here, the carnivores. Okay, so almost be ready. Then we have to check finally our food chain. So how to check that one? It's very simple. I'll go and create one void method, public void food chain. Okay, so here I going to pause. Carnivores dot eat, what it will going to eat, it going to accept the herbivore. That is what we defined over there. Okay, so everything is ready nicely. Okay, then we'll go and write some piece of code in the program. Okay, I going to initiate my ContinentFactory factory. I want to check the two worlds. Okay, first I going to pause America. Okay, now my continent is America. So I want to find out who are all the herbivores and what they eating. So that is what all about here. So next, okay, in animal world we have the set of logic that what I need to find out. So this is one. Okay, world 1. Okay, factory 1 equal to new animal world. This is accepting the factory 1. So now my behavior is America what it's going to do, that we know. Then finally world 1 dot food chain. Okay, good. The same likewise I going to check the second world. It's very simple. If you want the behavior only change by Asia, then the instance keep us 2. Okay, 2 console dot write key. Okay, so now so we'll go play back a bit. So my animal, okay, so all the animal I defined, this animal which category we defined, so what the food it's going to consume also we defined. And then if you take to the continent, okay, we have the two methods called herbivores, carnivores. Okay, according to the country, my herbivores and carnivores it will be changed. So that is what we defined here. So we assigned, if it is America, then it will return me these steps. That is what we override our property. So an animal world, we are passing the ContinentFactory, that means which battery in dynamically, and we are checking that, and we are assigning to the private property fields. Then that fields is going to return us what is exactly it's doing. Okay, fine, let's go my program. All is ready, let's go and run it. Oops, some issue. What was it issue? Wolves inaccessibility, because it's not a public privilege, or it takes default. That is what all about. No problem, let's go and give all the stuffs public. Okay, because it's public private it won't works. That inaccessibility checks that are you have to check. That is the encapsulation stuffs that I don't want to discuss that one. If you want about that, you can go through my series of tutorials. I will explain you what is inaccessibility. Okay, still some places still the issues. No, it is not. Yeah, I got it. Wolf eats and wolf eats goat. Why I supposed to come differently? Why it is like that? We'll see. America. Oops, I have to pause factory 2. I am pausing factory 1. It will return the same behavior. Okay, this time definitely it works. Wolf eats goat, lion eats deer. So in America, wolf eats goat. Wolf is my carnivorous, and the goat that eats that. Here my Asia, lion eats deer. Lion is my hair carnivore, and deer is how. If you flip that, you will come to know that America goat and wolf, my behavior I state there, and the same for Asia, deer and lion. So that is what the combination always it's worked. So guys, I think you like this design pattern. Actually it is not designed by me, it's designed by some good knowledgeable guys. So I just trying to put some initiative to learn this to achieve lot of a lot of behavior. Suppose in real world you have a lot of stuff. Suppose you have two modules that will act the same behavior. Okay, so you can use the abstract factory and you can benefits. Sure, I will come up with a lot of good design pattern tutorials in a future session, please follow up my playlist and get the high level knowledge, and you will be a best coder. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like my video, please like it and please subscribe to get more updates. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and please write a comments if you like my videos, if you have any doubts, queries.